CADDXFPV Walksnail Avatar HD Goggles X review, the new benchmark for immersive FPV flying. The Walksnail Avatar HD Goggles X represent a major evolution in digital FPV technology, combining cutting-edge optics, ultra-low latency transmission, and a highly modular ecosystem. Designed for serious FPV pilots, whether you fly racing, freestyle, cinematic rigs, or fixed-wing platforms, these goggles deliver a premium, future-ready experience that balances performance, comfort, and upgradeability. Crystal clear dual OLED displays with true HD immersion. At the heart of the Goggles X are dual 1920x1080 OLED screens with a smooth 100 Hz refresh rate, producing vivid colors, deep contrast, and razor-sharp detail. The 50-degree field of view creates a natural cinematic perspective without distortion, making it easier to judge distance and maintain situational awareness during high-speed maneuvers. Compared to traditional LCD FPV goggles, the OLED panels provide superior black levels and clarity, especially in low-light environments. 1080p, 100 FPS digital video with ultra-low latency. Powered by the Avatar HD system with advanced H.65 encoding, these goggles deliver 1080p at 100 FPS with an average latency of just 22 milliseconds. The result is a highly responsive, real-time flight experience that feels locked to your aircraft, critical for racing and proximity flying. With transmission distances exceeding 4 kilometers and future modules targeting up to 20 kilometers, signal stability remains strong even in challenging RF environments. Modular VRX design, built for long-term use. One of the most forward-thinking features is the replaceable VRX module, allowing pilots to upgrade the receiver instead of replacing the entire goggle. This significantly reduces long-term costs and ensures the Goggles X remain relevant as new transmission technologies are released. The removable front cover also enables antenna upgrades and custom DIY styling, a big plus for pilots who like to personalize their gear. Built-in head tracking for realistic flight control. The integrated gyro-based head tracking transforms the flying experience by allowing your head movement to control the camera or gimbal in real time. This is especially valuable for fixed-wing aircraft, long-range exploration, and RC vehicles, where natural viewpoint control enhances precision and immersion. Smart cooling, infrared sensor, and app integration. The intelligent cooling fan prevents fogging and overheating during extended flights. An infrared proximity sensor automatically turns the screen on-off, extending panel lifespan and conserving power. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support future firmware upgrades and mobile app control, eliminating the need for complex PC connections. Final verdict. The Walksnail Avatar HD Goggles X set a new standard in the FPV market with their OLED HD displays, modular VRX architecture, ultra-low latency transmission, and exceptional comfort. The combination of analog support, HDMI connectivity, and long-term upgradeability makes them one of the most cost-effective premium FPV goggles available today. For pilots seeking a high-performance, immersive, and future-ready FPV viewing solution, the Goggles X are not just an upgrade. They are a long-term investment in the digital FPV ecosystem.
Yeah.